Today we're at Byrider in North Charleston doing a walk around on a 2008 Ford Expedition. We're going to start our walk around right up front, checking those tires, good tread on those Michelins, nice set of alloy wheels, and as we come around the exterior we just want to look for any damage, any dents, dings. Driver's side looks great. Coming around to the back, no issues here at the rear bumper. It does have trailer tow included. As we finish up on the passenger side, exterior has obviously been well maintained, in very great shape. Inside the Expedition, you're going to have wood grain trim, all power windows and locks, full power driver's seat. It's going to be a brown and black leather seating. 199,634 is your current mileage. Your information display here, you're going to have AM, FM, CD, all your climate control. AC is blowing nice and cold. Again, that wood grain trim continues throughout. You've got some additional storage in that center armrest there. In the second row now, we do have the captain's chair arrangement here, so we'll do a quick look over the seating surfaces. Everything there looks great. All the flooring has again been well taken care of. You've got rear air control for back here, an additional power option. And then up top here, we have our rear DVD entertainment center. Nice and clean. As we open the rear hatch, you've got a little bit of space back here when the third row's in its upright position. You've got your jack tools just under the floor there. That cargo liftgate is powered, and then so are these third row seats, so we can easily put these seats down, bring them back up without having to crawl inside the vehicle, flipping and folding seats. Coming in from the passenger side, just taking another look around here at the second row. Now you do have the option to flip and fold these seats if you want to use that as an entry point to get to that third row seating instead of using that middle pass-through area. So we'll go ahead and do that. Give you a quick look over your seats in the third row. The third row seats look great, often gets the least amount of use and good leg room. We're going to wrap up in the front passenger seat, multiple adjustments for the passenger as well as the driver. Another look over the seat surface and the seat back there. We're going to jump in here and take one more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your extra clean 2008 Ford Expedition.